Our next topic today is find and follow others. Find and follow others. Yes, this is where you will be enjoying the Rumble channel. Now, we are we have created a community for every one of us. In fact, right in this very group, we can do it here. This standard we are setting for you is for everyone in this group here to follow each other, because we are going to make a room for you to drop your own channel link in this group. Every single person will follow you on that your Rumble channel. They will follow you. Everybody will click to follow you so that you can get to 100 followers without much stress. So that's what we are going to do. Then after that person have dropped, each person will be dropping their own. Each person will be dropping their own. Then everybody will be following each person. We are going to do it continuously till we are able to help ourselves. Anyone that is not doing that thing, that will not do that following, that means you are not a friend of this group. You don't want to belong to this group. We are working as a team here. We are working as a family. We are working as one. We are one in this group. So every single person must follow each other here so that everybody will be growing fast. That's what we need. Once you climb to 100 followers now, Rumble Channel will release a program for you. And by so doing, you will start getting another additional benefits. So we are going to be growing and improving and expanding through this formula. So everybody should get ready when the time comes. It's very important. It's very, very important. Everybody that receive this lecture free, the simple commitment we are giving now is that click on somebody's follow somebody, each person, follow everybody, so that everybody in this group will be growing. We want to make sure that everybody, as after monetization take place, we want to make sure you grow so that you can be earning. It's not just to monetize. Everybody should try their possible best and do with this simple task. See you in the practical session on how to find and follow other channel. That other channel mean all of us here. We follow each other so that everybody will grow together. So that is just the thing. So you can proceed with your practical now.
The secret I need to teach you about this how to follow. You understand? So once you follow, click on somebody's profile, or once you click on somebody's somebody's channel, you follow on that person's channel, you comment on that person's distance, so that if you comment something that is reasonable, the people that you are into that comment now will say, okay, this person said good thing, let me go and look into their channel. While the person is coming to your channel, you say, wow, let me follow it. He's a reasonable person, he's producing a good content. So this is the secret why you'll be getting followers. You understand? But firstly, let me just follow myself. You understand? So because I'm the one that created this channel, I need to follow myself first. You can see I followed myself.
Wow. I believe you enjoyed the class. Right now, I am expecting every one of us to start doing our practical.